to help the bus with your speed. What should we do now? Yes, tuck it behind the bus. Tuck it behind the bus. And that's tuck it behind the bus. Good, Ellie. And then that's showing the bus to continue out. But you were sort of like still avoiding a little bit, weren't you? You were going that way, even when I was saying tuck it behind the bus. When the bus wants to come out and we can let them go, we should. Alright, so if you think on what the bus driver could see there, you were trying to position out to the right, and what does that sort of tell the bus driver? Cool. And what does it tell the bus driver and what I was getting you to do? Does, doesn't it? It says we're not going past you onto it. So people sort of just steer to avoid things where it was a perfect thing to show people what's going on with your speed and your position. You don't need to flash your lights, you don't need to beckon people, you just show them with what you're doing. So show people with what you're doing here. Good. Do you need to adjust any speed at all, Ellie? I'm not sure, not through, no. What should we do with the bus? Show people what you wish to do with the bus. Doesn't mean we're doing it. Doesn't mean you go faster. Is there a space, however? Good, round we go. Now finish. Do it, gone, past, check, back. Good. Yeah?